Mahakumbh, the largest gathering of the planet, is a true World Heritage Site. During the churning of the cosmic ocean, a sacred pot, Kumbh, emerged that contained the Amrita, an elixir of immortality, over which fight between gods and demons ensued. Drops of the nectar fell at 4 locations on earth as Lord Vishnu took it heavenwards, marking the site where the Kumbh Mela is celebrated today. This Hindu Mela occurs after every 12 years at one of the 4 locations in India. But this time, Prayagraj is hosting a Purna Mahakumbh, an event so rare that it happens only once in 144 years. Think about it, you're not just part of a festival, you're part of a history in making.
From January 13th to February 26, 2025, crores of Kalpavasis, Tirthayatris, Sadhus and Prabandhaks will inhabit the Triveni Sangam area and several adjoining regions, transforming Prayagraj into a tent city. Whether you're coming for spirituality, tradition, or simply out of curiosity, Prayagraj Mahakumbh will leave you transformed.
Congratulations! You are going to spend 5 days at the world's largest gathering, not just as a visitor, but as an active participant in the eternal Ganga of a great tradition, Sanatan Dharma. We are all taking part in this initiative as Tirthayatris only.
This initiative is a fruition of our vision at Shodh, where we believe that we are always eternal seekers of knowledge. Shodh, Students for the Holistic Development of Humanity, founded in 2018, is a student-led effort to start a dialogue within the research community of India to bring researchers, academicians, legislators, bureaucrats and media personalities across all disciplines over one platform and facilitate seamless exchange of ideas.
We work for generation of holistic academic and popular narratives by understanding and promoting Indian perspective, practices and normative paradigms. We also aim for policy and academic intervention through publications and original research, while simultaneously facilitating creation of young academic leadership through discussions, conferences, seminars, internships, and other intellectual initiatives. Through a collective team effort of a dynamic and innovative research scholar community,
Shodh aims to create an environment for transdisciplinary research by brainstorming and innovating at the societal grassroots level.
We envisage creating a holistic and multidisciplinary climate of research in India and building an indigenous research culture through streamlining the vast and extensive Indian knowledge system. Shodh Yatra Internship at Mahakumbh offers you exactly a chance to document the experiential knowledge and phenomenological observations of the Kalpavasis, Tirthayatris, Sadhu Sant, Prabandhaks, non-governmental and local residents attending the Mahakumbh.
It will be 5 days of a blissful experience full of tap in Prayagraj.
in addition to this, you have got an opportunity to learn all the intricacies of field-based qualitative research work and documentation with hands-on training.
Join us to go beyond mere dry theories and assumptions of what constitutes the idea of India. Join us to experience the inspiration that moves the world's largest event where 400 million people would join uninvited. Join us to become a fortunate and formidable link in this millennia-old living tradition of Bharat. Join us as a Sayatri in this curious journey of Atma Saksatkara, both civilizational and Atmika.
Sangachadvam, Samvadadvam, Samvo Manansi Janatam, Deva Bhagam, Yatha Purve, Sanjanana Upasate. May we move in harmony, speak in one voice, let our minds be in agreement, just as the ancient gods shared their portion of sacrifice.